The government of Morelos addresses innovation, science, and technology as strategic topics for the state's development, in full accordance with the priorities reflected in the National Development Plan 2013-2018. In this regard, Governor Graco Ramirez created the first Ministry of Innovation, Science, and Technology of Mexico, with the instruction to coordinate local research teams, technology companies, society, and the government itself into a successful innovation ecosystem. One of the most important elements in this ecosystem is the Morelos Science and Technology Park, a strategic infrastructure from the public policy of innovation support, built to accelerate the creation and development of technology companies with international profile. This park will take advantage of the strength of local scientific and technological services. We will now take a look at some figures. Morelos is a leading state when it comes to scientific research, with more than 40 research centers and institutes, including the most prestigious institutions nationwide, such as the National Autonomous University and the National Polytechnic Institute, all of them within 15 miles from the park. It hosts 2 national laboratories, more than 260 specialized laboratories, and more than 2,000 researchers, with 900 of them being members of the National Researcher System of CONACYT and 577 of the state's researcher system. In addition, Morelos has 59 postgraduate programs with an annual output of more than 100 graduates and PhDs in all disciplines. All of this reflects in the fact that Morelos presents the highest index of researchers per citizen nationwide. Morelos is already recognized as the home of the most important scientific and technology research corridor in Mexico. Morelos Science and Technology Park is located within this corridor and aims to lead and to boost the regional economic development based in knowledge. Moreover, Morelos has an excellent connectivity by land and by air, and due to its natural resources marked with the best climate of the country, it is the ideal place to live. Morelos Science and Technology Park is dedicated to generate innovative business opportunities utilizing the offer of specialized services provided by the research teams. All of this with the objective of generating technological solutions for the park's companies, regionally as well as nationwide. Morelos Science and Technology Park is the central hub for collaborative and innovative networks among technology and scientific entrepreneurs. It is a highly relevant resource for cutting-edge companies nation and worldwide. It is also a national reference when it comes to technological transfer. It creates highly valuable job opportunities and positions itself as a solid foundation to retain the talent of local graduates. Morelos Science and Technology Park consolidates as a regional landmark, locally as well as worldwide. It will also become a catalyst for state-of-the-art research processes. Morelos Science and Technology Park concentrates prestigious institutions such as the Autonomous University of Morelos, the National University of Mexico, Morelos Center for Innovation and Technology Transfer, and the National Polytechnic Institute. It also hosts representations of specialized areas as the electronics industry, telecommunication, and IT chamber, CANIETI. All these institutions will offer their services to solve technological problems of different companies. They will offer courses and postgraduate programs for innovation management. They will develop prototypes, essays, and quality assessments, and will have technology transfer departments on site for the advice of researchers and entrepreneurs in the intellectual property field. Companies belonging to the Morelos Science and Technology Park will benefit from programs promoted by the Innovation, Science and Technology Ministry, such as the Innovation Boosting Program, Innovate to Export, Local Innovation and Technology Development Contests, incorporation of masters and doctors to the industry, among others. With an investment of $30 million in infrastructure and $2 million in equipment, this park is located in Xochitepec, an exceptional area in the center of Mexico. It has direct access to the Mexico City-Acapulco Freeway and is connected to Mexico City, Guerrero, Puebla, and Mexico states by land. Only 10 minutes away from the recently modernized Mariano Matamoros International Airport of Cuernavaca and adjacent to the World Trade Center Convention Center. Contiguous of Morelos Science and Technology Park, you will find the new Health Park, with projected first-class healthcare facilities as well as specialized clinics and recovery areas. The park's calling covers several areas in which Morelos is outstanding due to its scientific leadership and local industry. Regarding healthcare science, we can mention biotechnology, experimental research, molecular design of enzymatic processes related to the pharmaceutical field, genomic sciences, nanotechnology, which studies matter at a scale smaller than a micron, agricultural biotechnology and clinical services, renewable energy and the optimization of its use, as well as engineering focused on medical instruments, car parts, communication, and IT, different industries that will be found in the park. These elements enhance competitiveness and will converge in technological progress. Without a doubt, Morelos Science and Technology Park is already an important landmark in Morelos. Pioneer of economic development based in research, it promotes competitiveness and innovation, adding value to people and society. And from now on it will be a future reference. Morelos Science and Technology Park, an unlimited space for innovation.